In this video, we will discuss about dark field microscope. Dark field microscope is basically a type of light microscope which produces a bright image on a dark background. Hence, it have that name dark field microscope. So here, dark background, bright image, dark background, bright image. So it have that name dark field microscope. This is how look like. So here microbes light color, okay, bright image, dark background. Light path of light microscope similar to ordinary light microscope that has a simple modification. Light path consists of light source, opaque disc, condenser lens, specimen, objective lens and ocular lens. You see the opaque disc, this one only different extra part here. It is not found in bright field microscope. This one is the extra part here. This one not found in bright field microscope. An opaque disc is placed between the light source and condenser lens. Where it is present? Opaque disc, light source and condenser lens. The disc block most of the light source from illuminator. So it block most of the light from illuminator. Hence it produce halo cone of light. So it producing halo cone of light. The only light that reach the objective lens is light that has been refracted or scattered by that specimen. This light only will pass to that specimen. Other light that does not hit the samples are not passed through objective lens. They are passed around the objective lens. As a result, image appear bright on dark background. So only refracted, reflected and scattered light only passing. Other light does not hit the samples or not passed through object lens. So image appear bright on dark background. What are the advantages by using dark field microscope? It can be used for live and unstained sample. This is not possible in bright field microscope. What is the main advantage? Used for live and unstained samples. Limitation: low light level are seen in the final image. The sample must be very strongly illuminated, which can cause damage to the samples. These are the two limitations. So light source, it will reach to opaque disc, then condenser lens, then specimen, then objective lens, then ocular lens, then eyes. This one is the statement form. Bright image on dark background. Extra part here, opaque disc. This one placed between light source and condenser lens. Thanks for watching.